Now at 11, tragedy in Acushnet. A father and young son found dead inside their home. The victims of a poison that they could not see or smell. I'm Leah Martin.
I'm Lisa Hughes. Police say the carbon monoxide levels were so high in that house, they had to wait before going inside. WBZ's Christina Hager is live in Acushnet tonight with a warning for just about everyone. Christina.
Well, Lisa, the Acushnet fire chief says when crews broke into this home this morning, there was no alarm sounding. It is unclear if there was a working carbon monoxide detector. It took until nightfall for investigators to finally get through the home that was for most of the day too full of carbon monoxide for them to safely enter.
Wasn't supposed to happen like this, you know? You're here one day, gone the next.
Joseph Lopes and his 9-year-old son Colin Lopes apparently overcome by carbon monoxide as they slept, while investigators now try to pinpoint where the colorless, odorless, yet very dangerous gas came from. Joseph's brother remembers his ex-wife discussing problems with the heating system years ago.
We're going to miss him this Christmas, him and Colin. It's going to be very hard for the family.
Relatives and friends gathered at the home comforting each other, while some of Colin's schoolmates had to be escorted past the scene near their school bus stop.
An unbelievable child. One of the best kids I've ever met, I've ever been with, taken care of.
It was after school officials reported he never showed up. His mother began searching for him, eventually turning to police and fire officials who broke in for a well-being check.
Carbon monoxide detectors typically sound at 30 parts per million. We had parts per million in the thousands.
While it's unclear if there was a working CO detector in the home, Fire Marshal Peter Ostrowski said it's something everyone should check on.
Especially at this time of year, it's important to have working smoke and carbon monoxide alarms in your home.
It took a long time for crews to get inside the home, not only because of the carbon monoxide, but also because there was a mysterious powdery substance inside. It turned out to be harmless, just a treatment for a bug infestation. The home now completely aired out, but sadly, no one inside. It's empty. In Acushnet, Christina Hager, WBZ News.